creating Amazon individual seller account in the UAE is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can, create Amazon seller account in the UAE. In order to do that, you need to, have these things in mind. First of all, you need to have business email address or Amazon customer account. The second thing that you need to have phone numbers which are, reachable, national ID of your, UAE, and the third one is your business. You need to have a trade license if you are an owner. And for individuals, you have, recent bank account statement or credit card statement. And the last thing is bank account where Amazon can send you proceeds from your sales. Now, after, keeping these things in mind, you simply have to go to new tab and type in Amazon seller. After that, you have to go to this website, which is sellercentral.amazon.com. Now here you simply have to click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, it will let you create an account. After that, you will easily be able to sell whatever you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.